It's finally time. We're gonna set the engine in Deathwish today. There she be, and there she be. Yeah, I can hardly wait. It's kind of a mess in here, but that'll all clean up. So my engine hoist is not tall enough to put the engine over the transom of this boat. So what I did is I went to my buddy Randy's house. We used his tractor to set it in. Well, it's just about in. And there it is. It's bolted in. The engine's in. Hi, puppy. Hi, buddy. Hi, Mark. Hi, Murphy. Hi. Murphy's excited the engine's back in Deathwish. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. I need to see what wiring is going to need to be extended because we've gone from a car intake to the Trailblazer SS intake. The throttle body is different because 3-bolt to 4-bolt, so I don't know if my cable's going to work, and it's all things we need to sort out. Okay, so I think we're done for the time being. I got a couple boogered up spark plug holes, so I need to run a thread chaser through there. One on either side. I wanted to at least get it buttoned up. We're expecting some weather, and I wanted it to be somewhat tight, and didn't want those mice that are getting into the seats to get into the exhaust. We also need to make a provision for the air temp sensor because I am running speed density. We need to make a provision for the throttle body, or the cable rather, because it's not going to be able to push from way up here unless it comes this way. What else are we missing? Map sensor, obviously, because it's up here. And my wiring's back here because we don't have a map sensor back here anymore. Hook some grounds up, prime it with oil, hook the fuel system up, which I think I'm going to drain before we fire it, just because it has been sitting for a while. We just barely have a little bit of clearance there on the LS3 pan. And when I say barely, I mean the oil filter almost hits the intake. So we'll see how that goes. I'll get a thread chaser and get the other plugs in it. But I guess for now, that's about it. Hit the subscribe button if you would like to keep up with Deathwish and my other shenanigans. And you might even get a chance to see Mark go tubing behind Deathwish. We'll see. Hopefully I can get it done in time.